let's begin with this lesson. While we speak or write, we avoid repeating the same noun. जब हम लिख रहे होते हैं या बोल रहे होते हैं, हम क्या करते हैं, अवॉइड करते हैं रिपीटिशन. एक ही नाउन का मतलब अवॉइड करते हैं रिपीटिशन जो एक सेम नाउन का हो रहा होता है. We use some other words. हम उनकी सिवा कुछ और words use कर लेते हैं. Like a pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Pronoun क्या होता है, एक ऐसा word होता है जो किसकी जगह use होता है, noun की जगह पे use होता है. Thus pronoun are substitutes or nouns to avoid repetition. Pronouns क्या होते हैं, substitute होता है किसके, nouns के, to avoid करने के लिए repetition को. Now here are 8 kinds of pronoun. Let's begin with this. Let's read about this. Pronouns can be classified into the following types. Like first one is personal pronoun, second is possessive pronoun, third one is reflexive pronoun, fourth one is empathetic pronouns, fifth one is demonstrative pronouns, sixth is indefinite pronouns, next is interrogative pronouns, and the last is relative pronoun. First, let's talk about personal pronouns. A pronoun which stands for a person or thing is called a personal pronoun. एक pronoun किसी person या किसी चीज से stand करता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, personal pronoun कहते हैं. The personal pronouns are of 3 types. First person, second person, and the third person. First person. The pronouns which refer to the person or person speaking are of first person. For example, I, we, my, our, being, us. These are the first person. The second person, the pronouns which refer to the person or person spoken to. जिससे refer करता है person या person से जिसके बारे में बात की गई है, उसको कहते हैं, जिससे बात की है उसको कहते हैं second person. So, for example, you, yours. The third person, the pronouns which refers to the person or thing spoken of, जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम, or of the third person, like he, she, it, him, his, her, its, they, them, and their. Now let's talk about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used instead of nouns that show possession. है क्या दिखाते हैं, possession दिखाते हैं आपका, कि आपकी ओनरशिप दिखाते हैं, आपका कंट्रोल दिखाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस बुक इज योर्स, वेयर इज माई, ये बुक तुम्हारी है, मेरी कहाँ पे. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क भी आ रहा है. दैट बैग इज हिज विच इज योर्स, वो बैग उसका है, तुम्हारा कौन सा है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस. Reflexive pronouns refers to the same person or persons as the subject of the verb. किससे refer करते हैं, same person से person से, या फिर person जो होता है subject का of the verb. So like example, the cat washed itself. The cat. So the cat. Again, that is your reflexive pronoun. They laughed at themselves. वो अपने ऊपर ही laugh कर रहे थे, हंस रहे थे. Themselves आ गया, reflects कर रहा है उनको. She often talks to herself. Enjoy yourself, boys. So themselves, yourself ही आता है आपके reflexive में. Now empathetic pronoun क्या होते हैं, are used along with nouns और pronouns for the sake of emphasis. क्या करेंगे, sake of emphasizes के लिए use होता है. Like the queen herself visited the school. The queen, we ourselves serve the guests. हमने खुद से ही guests serve कर लिए. The town itself is not very large, so they themselves went there. वो खुद से वहाँ गए. Now let's talk about demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out the object or objects to which they refer. कि point out करता object को या किसी object को जो जिससे वो refer करता है. Like this and these refers to things near at hand, that and those refers to things that at a distance. For example, this is a present from my uncle. ये क्या है, present है जो मेरे uncle ने दिया है. So these are her books. Demonstrate कर रहे हैं, ये उसकी है. This, that, these, those is the demonstrative pronoun. This, that is my house. Those are your books. Now indefinite pronoun क्या होते हैं. Indefinite pronouns, some, few, many, all, one, none refers to person or things in a general way. Like some of these books are quite useful. कि indefinite है, कोई definite number नहीं दे रखा आपको. Some of these books are quite useful. None but fools do such things. None but fools करते हैं इन चीजों को. Few escaped unhurt. All are not sick. मतलब आपको indefinite number नहीं दे रखा. So they are called indefinite pronouns. Now interrogative pronouns, जिनमें questions put up होते हैं. Interrogative pronouns always introduce a question. वो क्या introduce करते हैं, question introduce करते हैं. Who, which, what. Who broke the slate? What do you want? Which will you take? Now, who has different form in the objective and possessive case? Who की different forms होती है objective में और possessive case में. Like objective case whom होता है whom did you see. Possessive case में whose bag is this? ये bag किसका है? Now let's talk about relative pronoun. Relative pronoun who, whom, whose, which and that. Join two sentences and refers to nouns coming before them. वो दो sentences को join करता है refer करता है उस noun से जो उनसे पहले आता है. जो like this is the boy who broke the glass. जो relation show करता है ये boy है जिसने glass को broke करा है. This is the boy whose leg was broken in the accident. So ये boy है जिसका leg whose आ गया ना, whose leg was broken in the accident. This is the girl whom the headmaster gave a prize. So जिसको headmaster ने prize दिया था. This is the horse which won the race. So these are the relative pronouns. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a grateful day.